Welcome back to the channel. I'm Sherilyn, and today I've got something really exciting to share with you. Big thanks to Mumben for sending this over. This is their Bluetooth thermal label printer. As you may know, I crochet and make tutorials, and I know a lot of you guys on Instagram sell items made from my videos. Some of you are just starting out with your small business. So when Mumben asked me to review their Bluetooth thermal printer, I was really excited because I think this can really help a lot of you. I've been wanting to expand my small business, but I didn't know where to start, especially with the shipping. But now that I have this printer, I feel a lot closer to selling my handmade items. So if you guys are like me, this printer could really come in handy. So these are what come with the printer. You have a power cable, a USB cable, 10 free shipping labels, user manual, and of course your printer. There's also a card with some QR codes on it, linking to the setup videos. Mumben also sent me 2 creative thermal labels, but these do not come with the printer. You'll need to purchase them separately. The printer's build quality is good. The outside is plastic, but it feels quite sturdy. It's also small enough to be portable. It comes in 2 colors. The one I received is white pink, but you also have a black-white color option. To set it up, plug the power cable in the socket, and the other end goes into the port at the back of the printer. There's a power switch at the back too. The next step is to pair it with my phone using Bluetooth. So I downloaded their Mumben Print app. Because I'm using my phone, I don't need the USB cable. It's only for PCs and laptops. And Bluetooth works for iPhones, Androids, and tablets. I had no problem pairing them up. It's very quick and easy, and the connection was also stable the whole time. I took some time looking through their app. Honestly, it's quite amazing how well developed the app is. There are lots of templates and designs for you to choose from, different sizes and types that the printer supports. You can customize them, editing texts, shapes, and borders. You can also start from scratch, choose what label size you're using, and because the printer supports different label sizes and types, the printer can serve not just for printing shipping labels when you want to sell or return stuff. You can also make cute stickers, so if you print someone's name on it, it could be a really personal and thoughtful gift. So once you have your design ready, simply open the top by pressing this button, then insert a label with the sticker side up and slide it under these 2 holders. Adjust the width to fit and then close the top. It will automatically bring the label to the correct position. You can choose how many copies you want to print and adjust the printing speed. Here I'm just showing you the different speeds. Even on the lowest setting, it prints much faster than my ink printer. The print is also very clear and high resolution. Besides being versatile and easy to use, it also saves me the trouble of dealing with ink. Because it uses heat, there's no need to buy ink. All I need is thermal labels. I'm pretty sure you can use other companies' labels as well, but if you're printing in different sizes, it's much more convenient to get them from Mumben because they're integrated with the app. However, I made a couple of mistakes when learning to use the printer. The first one was that I overlooked the size information on the designs, so the print came out in the wrong size. So before printing, you should make sure the label size matches up with the design. I also didn't use the holders at first. I only realized I missed something when the print came out slanted. I found out afterwards that Mumben has many tutorials showing how to use the printer on YouTube. However, I think it still would be nice to mention these in details in the user guide so that people with zero experience like me can figure it out sooner. But once you know how to work it, you're good from there. Before trying out the printer, I was excited because I'd never used a thermal printer before, but after actually trying it, I am in love with it. It allows me to have professional looking labels in seconds. If you're interested, I've left links in the description where you can find more information about Munbin and this Bluetooth thermal printer. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll see you guys in the next video.